Da-dum-de-dum. Right. Oh, hello. Oh, look, everyone. It's my boss. Hello. Right. I'm here to, well, I don't know how to put this, but you're getting the boot. You're buying me no football boots. But I don't even play football anymore. I manage it now. No, that's the thing about managing, right? You're fired. You mean you're giving me the axe? Yes, but what would I need an axe for? I'm not going. You're fired. You just. Oh my God! How do you not know that? I just said it to you. All credit to you, but you're confusing me. You are fired. Well, no. Where will I go now for work? Hello, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Yes, I'd like a mac chicken sandwich, please. Would you like fries with that? Yes, please. Medium or large? Medium, please. Okay, what drink you want with that? Medium Diet Coke, please. Okay, so that's one chicken burger, a medium Diet Coke, and a medium large fry. What kind of word is a fry? I believe no. What kind of word though is a fry? I don't know, but can you please just get my food? Oh yes, please go up to window 2. Oh yes, what would you like to eat that inside or take it to go? I'm at a drive-through. Oh yeah, sorry, the inside's full. Are you even hearing me? No. So can I just get my food, please? Window 2. That'll be 14.99. Hello again. Oh, so that's what you look like. I like your beard. Thanks. Are you Ricky? How did you guess? Okay, well anyway, yeah. Here. Do you have change for 20? Unfortunately, I don't. Oh wait, I found a tenner and a fiver. No. Come on, give me the 20. Come on, be a good lad. Spare me some change, please. uh, I'm just going to leave now. Oh, come on, goodbye. Roy? Yes, Mr. McDonald's boss man. You're fired. Oh no, now where am I going to go for work? Do. More grapes, Mr. Cowan? Yes please, Roy. You know, having you as my personal slave is the best. I know.